quick tutorial video for CapCut, how to add a waveform. So we have our little video in our timeline. We're just going to go up to stickers. Okay, so we're going to just click on that. And then we're just going to enter on the search bar, we're going to enter waveform. Okay, so once we do that, it'll save us a lot of time and just looking through and scrolling. We can just get right to it. So we're going to do waveform, and it's going to bring up all the waveform options that we have here. So here they are. So this is a little waveform for like audio. If you're speaking, represent that in an image. Some of these are locked, but we do have some free ones. So let's check it out. Let's find one that seems to be fitting here, that it's free, that's not locked. So I'm just going to do this simple one right here. Okay, so once we chose it and we see how it works, we're just going to drop it on the top of our timeline, top of our video, and from there we can expand it. We can also grab onto the corners and open it up like that, and just scale it up to where we need it to be. We can also do a few other things here as well. We can move it up and down if we need it to be up or down. Here's also another way to do it. You can just grab the scale bar right there, and that'll also make it bigger or smaller depending on your needs. So yeah, so that's a basic way of doing it. It's not going to match your voice, obviously, so it's just a quick animation. Hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments if you liked it.